Hello, and welcome to this geography lesson where we'll be exploring the beautiful country of Belize. First up, let's talk about its location and borders. Belize is located in Central America, which is a region in between North America and South America. It is bordered by Mexico to the north and west, Guatemala to the south and west, and it has coastline along the Caribbean Sea to the east. In addition to these land borders, Belize also shares maritime borders with two other countries. These are the areas that extend into the sea from their land borders. So, for example, the maritime border between Belize and Mexico doesn't look anything like this. This is just a straight line that I drew. It would actually look something like this. It's very curvy because they're trying to divide up the waters between them. The maritime border between Belize and Guatemala looks like this. And finally, here's the maritime border between Belize and Honduras. One interesting thing about Belize's location is that it was once part of the ancient Maya civilization. You can still see some of the ruins of their cities throughout the country today. Another interesting thing about Belize's location is that it has a lot of volcanoes. These volcanoes were created when the ancient Maya people lit a fire under the earth and it erupted. Okay, I'm just kidding. They didn't actually do that. These volcanoes were created by tectonic plate movement, but still, they're pretty cool. One of the most active volcanoes in the country is called the Little Belize Valley, but it hasn't erupted in over 200 years. Moving on to Belize's size, it is the 12th smallest country in the world, with a total area of 22,966 square kilometers, or 8,863 square miles. This is smaller than the state of New Hampshire, and the city of Sapporo in Japan is larger than Belize. But don't let its size fool you. Belize has a lot to offer. For example, it has some of the best scuba diving in the world. Now, let's take a look at the terrain or the physical features of Belize. When you imagine the terrain of a country, it's important to think about the types of natural features that exist there, such as mountains, rivers, and deserts, as well as how high or low the land is above sea level. The lowest point in the country is the Caribbean Sea at 0 meters or 0 feet. The highest point in the country is the top of the Doyles River Mountain at 11,333 feet, or 3,454 meters. Most of Belize's terrain is actually low-lying tropical forest. There are some hills and mountains in the west of the country near the border with Mexico and Guatemala, but most of the land is flat or rolling. This makes Belize a great place for growing crops such as sugarcane, bananas, and citrus fruits. It also makes it easy to travel around the country by road. Belize has one of the largest road networks in Central America. Next, let's talk about Belize's barrier reef. The barrier reef is a series of coral reefs and islands that run parallel to the coast. It is the second largest barrier reef in the world, after the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. The barrier reef is home to a wide variety of marine life, including over 500 species of fish and 65 species of coral. This makes it a popular destination for scuba divers and snorkelers from around the world. The water around Belize is some of the clearest in the Caribbean, so you can see a lot of the wildlife underwater. Some of the most popular places to dive and snorkel include the Great Blue Hole, which is a giant sinkhole filled with crystal clear water. It's home to nurse sharks, stingrays, and colorful fish. The Hol Chan Marine Reserve, which is a protected area that is home to a variety of marine life, including sea turtles, dolphins, and manatees, and the Shark Ray Alley, which is a popular spot for seeing nurse sharks and stingrays. There are also a number of small islands off the coast of Belize, many of which are popular tourist destinations. Some of the most popular islands include Ambergris Caye, which is the largest island in the country. It is known for its white sand beaches and calm turquoise waters. Caye Caulker, which is a laid-back island that is perfect for snorkeling and diving. And the Tobacco Caye, which is a tiny island that is only accessible by boat. Moving on to Belize's climate, it has a tropical climate with 2 seasons, a dry season from November to April and a wet season from May to October. The average temperature in Belize is around 26 degrees Celsius or 79 degrees Fahrenheit. However, it can get much hotter during the day and much cooler at night. Overall, Belize has a favorable climate, which makes it a great place to live and visit all year round. But if you want to experience the best of both worlds, I would recommend visiting during the dry season. During the dry season, the weather is sunny and dry, making it ideal for outdoor activities such as hiking, biking, and swimming. Plus, the humidity levels are lower, so you won't feel as sticky and sweaty. The wet season can also have its own unique charm. If you don't mind the rain, you may enjoy the lush greenery and the thundering waterfalls. You might even get to witness a rare natural phenomenon called a river of chocolate. This occurs when the soil in the rivers becomes so rich with tannins from decomposing vegetation that it turns brown, resembling melted chocolate flowing through the landscape. Another benefit of Belize's location is its ecosystems. As I mentioned earlier, Belize is home to a wide variety of plants and animals, both on land and in the sea. On the mainland, there are 4 main types of ecosystems: tropical rainforest, swamp, marsh, and coastal scrubland. These ecosystems are home to a wide variety of plant and animal species, including monkeys, sloths, toucans, and butterflies. One of the most famous butterflies in Belize is the blue morpha butterfly. This butterfly is known for its brilliant blue wings and its slow, deliberate movements. It is often seen in the rainforest and swamp ecosystems. The most common type of monkey in Belize is the howler monkey. These monkeys are known for their loud howls, which can be heard throughout the rainforest. They are often seen in groups, leaping from branch to branch. Another animal that can be found in Belize is the Baird's tapir. This mammal is related to the horse and is the largest land mammal in Central America. It is often seen in the rainforest and swamp ecosystems. Belize is also home to a variety of reptiles and amphibians. The most venomous snake in Belize is the terciopelo. This snake is highly venomous and can be aggressive if provoked. However, it is rare for it to attack humans. Another reptile that can be found in Belize is the American crocodile. This crocodile is the largest in the Americas and is an apex predator in its ecosystem. It is often seen in rivers and swamps. One of the most beautiful amphibians in Belize is the red-eyed tree frog. This frog is known for its bright red eyes and its green body with blue and red spots. It is often seen in the rainforest. As I mentioned earlier, Belize is also home to a variety of birds. Some of the most beautiful birds in Belize include the keel-billed toucan, the scarlet macaw, and the great blue heron. One of the most popular birds in Belize is the Jabiru mina. This bird is known for its large size and its distinctive black and white plumage. It is often seen in swamps and marshes. Another bird that can be found in Belize is the roseate spoonbill. This bird is known for its pink color and its unique spoon-shaped bill. It is often seen foraging for food in shallow waters. Finally, let's talk about the people of Belize. Belize is home to a diverse group of people from different cultures and backgrounds. The official language of Belize is English, but there are also many other languages spoken throughout the country, such as Spanish, Creole, and Mayan languages. This diversity has created a unique culture in Belize that is reflected in its food, music, and art. The population of Belize is about 421,000 people. That makes it the 169th most populated country in the world. And the capital city of Belize is Belmopan. This city is located in the central part of the country, and it is home to about 12,000 people. The Belmopan was built in the 1970s after the old capital city of Belize City was destroyed by a hurricane. In conclusion, Belize is a beautiful country with a lot to offer. From its stunning barrier reef to its lush rainforests, Belize has something for everyone. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or something in between, I hope you enjoyed learning about the geography of Belize. Do you know any fun facts about Belize that I didn't mention? If so, share them with us in the comments below. And if you'd like to learn more about the countries of our world, be sure to check out the rest of my videos. Thanks for watching.